Not all helical piers are built the same. At PierTech Systems, every pier starts with precision manufacturing and the highest grade American steel. Our components are engineered and manufactured in the United States to ensure strength, consistency, and performance in the field. Because when your foundation depends on it, there's no room for compromise. One of the biggest innovations in helical pier installation is the PierTech cross-lock connection. Unlike traditional bolt-through connections that require lining up bolt holes and forcing bolts through deformed pipe, cross-lock instantly aligns and locks into place. That means installers can connect sections quickly and continue installation, reducing install time by up to 50%.
The PierTech cross-lock connection will save you 50% of time during installation and gives you one of the strongest connections in the industry. By taking all the torque off of the bolts and having an auto-aligning hole system, you will experience no hole deformation and much faster installs. This is a revolutionary, innovative connection in the helical pier industry.
The cross-lock connection is also ICC-ES certified, providing verified engineering performance and compliance with industry standards. The result? A helical pier system that installs faster, performs stronger, and is built with the quality contractors expect. PierTech Systems, precision manufactured, engineered to perform, built in the USA.